MetaTrader 4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this on the right platform. This is strictly meant for MT4 and not MT5. Before you register with any forex brokers, make sure you check them out and see if they are regulated in your area or not. If they are not regulated, please do not register with that kind of forex brokers. Do not be scammed. We have a lot of scam outside there. Make sure you register with regulated forex brokers. It is important that you register with regulated forex brokers. Check it out if they are regulated in your area or zone or country before you go on to register with them. And after you've done that, make sure you check out their demo account. Check out their forex platform demo account. Try all your strategy, either paid indicator, free indicator, paid signal, free signal, paid forex strategy, or free forex strategy. Make sure you check it out on their demo account. Do not go live without practicing your strategy on forex demo account. Make sure you do that. It is important. Do not waste your money or your resources. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers and try out their demo account before you go live. And before you take any trade each day, make sure you check Forex Factory to see if there's any news that may likely affect a particular pair or currency for the day, and mark out the time that the news may likely come out. Then stay away 30 minutes before the news or 30 minutes after the news from that particular pair. Better still, you can stay away completely from that particular pair for that day, since you have other alternative to trade. This particular strategy can be used on any pairs. You can use it on forex pair like Euro USD, Great Britain Pounds USD, USD Japanese yen, Euro Japanese yen. You can use it on Euro Australia dollar, as many forex pairs you have on your MT4. This can be used to trade meta like gold, silver, platinum, and the rest. You can use this to trade indices like a US 100 or Nasdaq. You can use it to trade US 30, US 500. And this particular strategy can be used to trade cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doji, Memecoin, and the likes. You can use it to trade Litecoin, and you can trade other cryptocurrency pairs like a BTH, USD, ETH, USD, ETH, Euro, and the likes, as many crypto pairs you have on your MT4. And remember, you can use this on the stocks. You can Amazon, Tesla stocks, Facebook stocks, Google stocks, as many stocks as we have on the MT4. You can trade crude oil with this particular strategy. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy. Now let me show you how to use these forex tools that I've combined together and they're trading on regulated forex brokers. I have few indicators that I've combined together, or forex tools, to come up with this strategy. This is the number one indicator, and here is another arrow indicator, and I have the pivot point indicator, and beside that I have a Kinashi indicator, and there's other indicator I have in the indicator window that I've minimized. I will show you in the course of this video, because you might do without it and use the chart like this. That was why I minimize it. Now the number one thing you have to look out for is this particular indicator. This indicator, it did turn from white to red, orange red for a sell, white is for buy, and it has this bands just like Bonita bands. and here I have another arrow indicator. So once you've confirmed the signal or the direction with this indicator, then you are going to look for other confirmation before you place your trade. This did turn to red at this particular point. At this particular point, it did turn to red for a sell. Then we have this arrow in confirmation, and at this point you can place your trade. This is a valid signal, and your stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high and ride the trend. And here is another buy signal that was generated by these indicators I have combined together. It's changed to white here for a buy, and we have the blue arrow in confirmation, and this was coming from PP1. So your take profit can be at this particular level or at this level, all depends on you, and your stop loss will be few pips below the previous low, and you ride the trend. As you can see, this did deliver, and this is a good strategy that you can use on any forex pair. Now let's check other pairs, or let's check other time frame. This is Great Britain pounds on 30 minutes, and here is it on 15 minutes. You can use it on any time frame you want. Here is a buy signal, here is a sell signal, here is a continuation. We have continuation because this white line remained white, so we are still in uptrend, and you can keep on entering in that direction. Now let's check another pair, and here is another pair that you can trade. We have a confirmation here, a continuation, another continuation where you can enter more trade. This is just how to use this winning forex tools on the MT4, and make sure you are trading on regulated forex brokers. You can use it on any time frame you want. Here is it on 1 hour time frame, and this did deliver. We have a good confirmation. Then let's check it out on indices like a US 30. I like trading this particular pair on lower time frame, like 5 minutes time frame, and here is it on the 5 minutes. We have a buy signal here, another buy signal here. We have continuation, here. So this is a good strategy that you can use on any pairs you want to trade. And here is it on gold on 5 minutes. We have a buy signal here. This is where we have the confirmation, and this is continuation, this is another continuation, and gold is still pushing up. So this is how to use this particular strategy. Let me show you the last indicator I have on the indicator window. It's just the normal MACD indicator. This is just additional confirmation. This is where we have the buy signal. All the indicators did agree at that particular point, so you can keep on using MACD or trade it without MACD. And here is it on GU with the MACD. Still the same methodology. This is where we have all the indicators in agreement, so you can keep on trading using all the indicators together. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done that. This is a simple strategy, and the download link to all the indicators I use is in the video description. Make sure you download it. It is free. It is free. And in my video description, I did recommend some forex brokers that I've tested and I've used them. Kindly check them out and check if they are regulated in your area, and you can register with any of the forex brokers, any regulated and registered forex brokers. Make sure you trade with them. So let me show you all the indicators I use for this particular strategy, and I will include my template. So check the video description, also the download link. So these are the indicators I have here. Indicator I have is no repaint indicator. There's nothing to change on this particular indicator. Just use my default setting or use my template. Then you can actually only change the color. The bull candle is deep sky blue and the down is red. Then I have the all pivot points, so and I change it to D1. You can change it to any time you want, but I change it to D1. Then we have this symbol changer just to monitor a few pairs instead of having a lot of chart on my platform. I only open one chart and change from one chart to another using this particular indicator. And the last indicator on the main chart rather is this, and these are the setting. And on the indicator window that you might do without, this is what I have MACD, and this is my setting for MACD. Fast EMA is 9 and slow EMA is 26. MACD SMA is 6. Then apply to close. So this is all the indicator I use for this particular strategy. Check the video description, you will see the download link there. As I round up this tutorial, make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. It is important that you trade on regulated forex brokers. We have a lot of scammer outside there, so make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers, and do check Forex Factory or other news aggregator before you place any trade. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.